install 1010 app on iOS, iPhone. So super easy to do that. I would recommend you that you need to have the latest version of your iOS and also quite a new iPhone, because otherwise this app can be quite glitchy. So I guess at least iPhone 10 or even 12. Yeah, so that's that. And then just tap on the get button or a cloud button if you already installed it. And then there you have it. Here is the app. And then here's the red screen where you need either to create an account or you need to basically sign in already. I would recommend you to use Apple, Google, or TikTok because there are less bugs. And then you can just go in and sign in or just create your account here. When you're creating your account for the first time, you will need to invite at least one friend to this app. If you don't invite, you won't be able to use the app, but you just need to invite at least one person. And then you will be able to use the app.